guys, so it's the 1st of October today and it's my birthday month, so I wanted to spend on myself a bit. This is of course grocery shopping and I'm unpacking the groceries that I bought that day. But watch towards the end of the video. I go to a bookshop and I also unbox a Bath and Body Works order. So let's get on with the video. So I just came to Jarir bookstore, and this is actually the biggest bookstore in Qatar, and it's actually, there is one located right near my apartment. It's like a 10-minute walk, but imagine me wearing black long sleeves, and in summer I still somehow managed to get there in one piece. I just went there wanting to buy just a few things and one book, but of course, as usual, whenever I go to a bookstore, you go there planning to buy only one thing and you end up buying 10 things. So same thing happened again, and I will do a haul of what I bought at the end of the video. Here's the fiction aisle, but I'm not here to buy fiction books today. Fiction I can read on my iPad, but when it comes to non-fiction, I find it very difficult to concentrate, so I need the physical book. That is exactly why I decided to go to the bookstore. But you can't help but look through. So today I wanted to do kind of like an unboxing video because I did order Bath and Body Works order as well, and I have that. And also I went shopping today, grocery shopping, and I went to the bookstore because I wanted to buy a few things. So let's just go through everything that I have bought so far. But this month I have even tapped into my savings because it's my birthday month, and I just every birthday I have not had a good birthday so far. So I just I wanted to make sure that at least this year it will be a better one. Shall we go ahead and start with the Bath and Body Works? I think this is the best one, and I know what I got. Of course, the official Bath and Body pack. Right. Okay. And let me show you. I'll try to raise it up. So this is basically it. I got one 3-wick candle. Then some of these things I will show each and every one, right? 2 body gels, 1 lotion, body cream, and 2 body mists. So this is my order. So this is everything. 1 blackberry and basil body cream, then 1 blackberry and basil fine fragrance mist, 1 blackberry and basil shower gel, then 1 Life of the Party but missed. Life of the Party shower gel. And finally, the one I'm most excited about, chocolate banana mudslide. It's a 3-wick candle. Yep. Super awesome. When I showed it open to show it to you guys earlier, I just got a whiff of it and I was like, yo, this is crazy. Of course, Life of the Party, I got the shower gel and the body mist. My roommate, she uses this, so I know it smells nice because every time she puts it on, I was like, where is this? What is this? Ah, so nice, super nice. Yep. And then I got in like very end basil, I got the mist, the shower gel, and the body cream. Let me check. Nice. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Happy. Okay, so now let's go through this bag. I went to the bookstore today because mainly I wanted to buy one book, ended up buying three, and I also wanted a few stationery items. So I am a huge book reader, but now I'm used to reading it on my iPad. But the thing is, you can read fiction, but when it comes to non-fiction, for me, I feel like I need the physical book, and it's so expensive here in Qatar. The price of one book is like double the price that you had to pay in Sri Lanka, almost double, I swear to you. But you know, I was like, it's okay, it's my birthday and I need this. I mean, what am I going to do? Am I going to fly all the way to Sri Lanka? No. So kalas, I bought it, right? So let me go through the things. I got these things and a few stationery as well. Shall I just finish the stationery off first? Yeah. So stationery, I got a glue stick, then 3 highlighters and my 3 favorite colors. I don't like when I buy highlighters, I don't like when it's like flashy. I like simple colors like this. Then of course post-it notes, more post-it notes, and this is washi tape, but in like the cutest 3 colors. It's 15 Qatari riyal, but 15 Qatari riyal is like 1,500 Sri Lankan rupees, so totally not worth it. But I mean, it's super cute. Just look at it, super cute. So I bought that, and I bought one notebook. Of course I will buy a notebook, but this one it's different, I would say. Let me just open this. Because I have never owned a book like this. This is an all black notebook. So I got this really cool design, found one with the greatest difficulty, all the other designs were just not nice. So this, and this is what the insides look like it's all black. I mean, wow, like why would I even write on a normal notebook when this exists? I love this. I really love this, and that's why I bought these things, because then I can write notes on this and then kind of paste it here with the washi tape. Spent unnecessary money, you can say, in a way, but yeah, the bill. And the 3 books that I bought. So this time I bought all self-help books. First one is, this one was recommended to me by a friend. This You Can Heal Your Life, a wellness tracker. This one is one of the cutest books ever. It's called My Wellness Tracker, right? And when you open it, it has like, I don't know if you can see, but it has different kinds of activities that you can do. A stress tracker, so you can color in very calm, mostly calm, and you can use your own color coordination and then color in on the day. On the first, if I feel like I am very calm, then like that. Water intake, and I don't know, but this is actually something that should be started from like the 1st of January to be done until like December. There's a few pages which are copied for every month, but I mean, it's October, it's my birthday month. I will start from October and finish it next October. It's fine. So this is that. Then You Can Heal Your Life, and lastly, 8 Rules of Love by Jay Shetty. This one also, I felt like I should buy it. So yeah, this is my purchase so far for the month of October. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and hope to see you again with another video soon.